Hey guys, SuperJR23 here. Welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to update anything on your computer. That's your drivers, your devices, and headphones, etc. So to start this, all you got to do is go down to the left and type Device Manager into your search bar. It's right here. You would click it and you'll be welcomed with the Device Manager screen. Now all you got to do is go top to bottom, bottom to top, it don't matter. Open up one of these, right click, and click Update Driver. And then all you have to do is click Search automatically for updated driver software. It will automatically search for those drivers on the internet, and if it finds an updated version of it, it will automatically update it. And there it is. It will say the best drivers for your devices are already installed. So I'm going to go ahead and close this. Then I would go to this one, right click Update Driver, and keep going down the line. Then close this, open this, and go down the line here. That's all you got to do. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please leave a like if you did and subscribe if you're new, and I'll see y'all in the next one. Peace.